I received my Genie GITR 3BX today. I'm gonna have to program it. I got the battery. Pull it out. The flat part goes here against the spring. And now it's ready to be programmed. Let's go and check it out. Well, here we are at the garage door opener. We are supposed to locate a push button and a red LED that's blinking when I push that button. And I see a push button here. You push it, and here you see the LED blinking. That's the one that we are looking for. So now we're going to program this. So now we have located the push button and the red LED, the blinking LED light. So now we have to do is push that button, the flashing LED light will come on, and then we have to push the programming button, one of these buttons, within 30 seconds. And then push again, and then the light will stay on steady without blinking. Then we have to push the button again until the light goes off, and then that should be it. So I'm going to try to program the left button here and see if that works. So we have to come here and push the push button. We see the LED is blinking. Now we have to push our button that we want to program. But be sure, don't stay too close, because it's not going to work. Like, see, not working. You have to get a little bit, stay away a little bit. LED stays on. We push again. LED is off, and that's it. Now it's programmed. Let's check it out. So we programmed the left button. Let's see if that works. Ta-da! Uh-oh, nothing worked. Well, let's try again. Now we're going to program the middle button, see if that works. Okay, let's try the middle button. We push here. LED is flashing. We're gonna push the middle button. LED stays on. Push again. LED is off. That's it. Let's try if this one works. So we programmed the middle button. Let's see if this one works. The middle button. Boom. Uh-oh. Nothing works. Don't work either. Okay, there's one more left. Let's go try and program the right button here and see if that works. Okay, here we go. Last button. Push the button. Push the right button. LED stays on. Push again. LED is off. And hopefully this one works. It's our last chance. Okay, let's pray that this one works. Push the button, the right button this time. Yes, we did it. All right. Ta-da. All right. So that's it. So don't give up. If the one button doesn't work, try the other one till it works. Thank you for watching.